Hey yo, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Citywidekb. I'm coming back with another video, and today I'm gonna be building a PC today. I know when y'all looking at this, it's like, damn, nigga, that's a goddamn dinosaur you looking at. Yes, and you might be correct. But it's held up for the past 5 years, and alright. It'll lag here and there, but it's gonna need an upgrade. So I'm gonna go pick up this motherboard and I'm gonna pick up the camera when I come back. So now after figuring out I can't use this motherboard in this case, I gotta go get a new case. So BRB. So after doing all the soul searching and going on this wild goose chase for this motherfucking case, finally got it in my possession. So let's just go ahead and hop into it, though. Just on the record, this is not my first time unboxing this motherfucker or setting it up. I just really kind of did this shit for the video. But yeah, it's just good content, though. I'm chopping it up, make it look good for you, so you'll never be able to tell, right? Unless I want you to know. Matter of fact, let's start over. Blam, boom, nigga. Blam, boom. And I didn't get this shipped. I went to the store and I built this and I took it on home with me, and then they just slapped it in whatever box they had. But don't worry about this not being no styrofoam. But alright, so boom, what we got here is the new build right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the specs up on the screen right fast. So just down below, just let me know your thoughts. I don't know shit about no PC. Well, I know a little something. I know how to put them together and take them apart, but I don't know how to overclock and all that. This shit like that. But so the CPU, I got an AMD Ryzen 7 5700. And it got graphics on the motherfucking CPU. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Come with 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4. I wanted 5, but DDR4 still good, and I still got some slots left in there. So shit, I can upgrade them on, you know what I'm saying? Well, terabyte of storage on the hard drive and 256 gigs on my SSD, and it's running on Windows 11, and that's about it. I don't know what the power supply is rated at. I don't know how many watts it's putting out. Yeah, that's basically about it. Basically, I'm just editing on this guy. I've been thinking about getting into streaming because I was doing it on the last channel, but it didn't really pick up how I wanted to. Right now, I'm just using this just to edit and just do the same shit I was doing on my last PC, but better. And now I'm playing all the games I was on my PlayStation, so I ain't need a console no more. So y'all want to see me get down on the stream, and just let me know down in the comments below. I got damn near everything. I got everything. Got my Elgato. I just gotta find that bitch. It's not the one that you plug into the motherboard, although I do want that motherfucker. Let's pop the hood on this motherfucker. Let's look on the inside of that motherfucker. Look at that engine, boy. Look at that damn engine, boy. It's not like a clear glass, like opaque. It's kind of got like a black tint to it. I fuck with that, dog. Like a little 70, like a 50% tint on that bit. That's cool. It's a nice little build. I really don't have to upgrade anything for like a cool 2 years. But like I said, me being me, I know I'm gonna upgrade. Don't mind the dust right there. Don't mind the dust. But if anything, first thing I'm gonna do, obviously be RAM. I don't know. I've been leaning more towards 64 gigs, cause shit, why the fuck not? I know motherfuckers be like 32 gigs is more than enough, but if there's no problem with me running too much fucking RAM. I'm gonna run the most fucking RAM I can possibly can. From the RAM to the CPU, I'm gonna go to the RAM to the CPU, probably get like an i9. If not an i9, probably a i5 10th generation. I think this is a MSI motherboard too. And the case is MSI with the fans. It's all MSI. I gotta find a way how to tuck these wires though. It's really not bothering me though. It's really a aesthetic thing. I could honestly fucking care less because this motherfucker don't be sitting open like this. This motherfucker ain't even on my desk. That motherfucker be chills right there. That's what the motherfucker's going right there. With the case, with this facing that. So I can't even see it if I wanted to. Y'all let me know on what's a good graphics card I can run for the price. I'm not trying to run motherfucking 8K 6500 frames per second because I don't even play on the top of the notch goddamn monitors. 1080 is cool with at least 100 frames per second. That's cool. I want to say this can do that, but I just have to go in and fuck with all the settings and all the games. Something out of the box. I know this not gonna be cheap, but I know y'all got some I know y'all got some in y'all inventory. So just let me know down below. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this back on, hook it up, and I'm gonna let y'all see all the pretty colors and the fan and how it's working. And got everything hooked back up. And yeah, let's go ahead and turn this bad little thing on, boy. Look at that. Ooh. So pretty. Yeah, I think I gotta switch them around. I think I gotta switch them cables around. That one should be on instead of this one. You see how fast that booted up? I ain't did no editing. You see how fast that booted up, dog? Bro, my shit would've still been on, that other shit would've still been on that Windows loading screen, bro. Saying we get no signal. Alright. So got both on back up. Bam, bam. Yeah, like I said, I done already set it up and unboxed it beforehand, so all it is popped up on there. Yeah, fuck out my screen, niggas. Yeah, man, that's the PC. If y'all want me to do like a little setup tour, I'm more than welcome to it. But matter of fact, I low key wanna bust that bitch out now, but I ain't got all the shit. Like, I gotta fix that. I gotta add some on the bottom, cause why not? So I'm gonna order a kit to fix this strip and get all the information like I did the same thing with this one. Like pop the screen, like pop the PC specs up like right there. And then I just kinda go over it. But yeah though, man. Comment down below if y'all want me to do a setup tour. Yeah, I think that's been the video though. Pop the specs up one more time just so y'all don't forget. It's nothing special by any means. This is my little baby, but yeah though. Comment down below on some on what you thought. Share with your homeboys, your homegirls, your home friends, everybody you know. I like this video too. And yeah, that's gonna be it.